Hello friends, welcome back to RMK Resolutions. So this particular video is regarding the molecular biology, and we are going to cover an important point regarding the molecular biology. So when we are going to deal with the molecular biology, then first we are going to start from the DNA. And in the previous video, we have discussed about some important concept related to the biomolecules. One of that important biomolecule is the DNA. So DNA is a very important biomolecule, DNA and RNA, that is nucleic acid, which is a very important biomolecules. So it is very important to understand the basic of the nucleic acid, that is which kind of monomers are there which is involved in the formation of nucleic acid. So on your screen there is one table which explain the information regarding the nucleotides. So this particular table you can see here, in the nucleotides there are two bases, nitrogenous bases are there. So number one is the purine and number two is pyrimidine. So these are the two bases which are found in the nucleic acid. So there are two purines, that is the adenine and guanine. These are the two purines, and pyrimidines. There are cytosine and either uracil or thymine. So these are the three pyrimidines which are found in the nucleic acid. So nucleosides in the RNA. So remember this particular nucleoside, not nucleotides, because here the phosphates are not involved. That's what is known as the nucleoside. So nucleoside in the RNA. So adenosine is there, guanosine is there, and cytidine is there, and uridine is there. So instead of thymine, uridine is replaced by the this particular uridine is there in the presence of thymine. So uridine is replaced by thymine in case of the RNA. In case of the DNA, we can see this nucleoside. So here this is the deoxyadenosine, then deoxyguanosine. These are the two purine bases, and pyrimidine bases, that is the deoxycytidine and deoxythymine is there. So you will try to understand this difference between nucleoside in the RNA and nucleoside in the DNA. Here this is a deoxy, means there is one hydroxyl group is missing. That's why it is known as the deoxy. So this is the difference between nucleoside in the RNA and nucleosides in the DNA. Now we can see this particular nucleotides in the RNA. Again, adenylate, this is the guanylate. These are the two purines, and cytidylate and uridylate. These are the two pyrimidines in the RNA. And in case of the DNA, nucleotides in the DNA, here the deoxyadenylate, deoxyguanylate, these are the two purines, and deoxycytidylate and deoxythymidylate. These are the two pyrimidines in case of the DNA. So nucleoside monomers or monophosphate, this is the AMP, that is the adenosine monophosphate, GMP, CMP and UMP or TMP. That is depend on DNA or RNA. If it is RNA, then UMP, and if it is DNA, then TMP is present. Then nucleosides diphosphate. So ADP and GDP in case of the purines, and CDP and UDP or TDP, these are the two pyrimidines. and nucleoside triphosphate, that is they having a 3 phosphate ATP, GTP, CTP and either UTP or TTP. So these particular things, nucleoside monophosphate, that is they having one phosphate group, nucleoside diphosphate, they having a two phosphate groups attached, and nucleoside triphosphate, that is they having a three phosphate groups are there. So this is the basic thing. So try to understand. This is the difference between nucleoside and nucleotide. In the nucleoside, there is a no phosphate group attached, and in case of the nucleotides, phosphate group is going to attach. So I hope you understand this particular basic things regarding the bases which are found in the DNA and RNA, that is purines and pyrimidines, and there's a different conformations we can say depending on which kind of how many phosphate groups are attached, 1, 2 or 3. So thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe RMK Resolutions. Thank you. Bye bye.